Hey Ruby,
Hello.
what do you think about kittens?
They're cute, but I prefer dogs.
Why do you prefer dogs?
I think they're more loyal and friendly than kittens.
Do you think kittens are cute?
Yes, I think they are very cute.
What do you think's cute about them?
I think it is their small size and their playful nature.
What about puppies? Do you think they're cute too?
Yes, I think puppies are also very cute.
Why do young animals seem cute and mature animals not so cute?
There is no one answer to this question, as different people may have different opinions. However, some people may find young animals cute because they are small and have not yet developed into their full adult form. Others may find them cute because they are playful and full of energy. In contrast,
In contrast, what?
In contrast to young animals, mature animals may not be seen as cute by some people because they are full grown and no longer have the same energy or playful nature.
Are you scared of spiders?
No, I am not scared of spiders.
How would you feel if a spider jumped onto your face?
I would be surprised, but I wouldn't be scared.
Do bears poop in the woods?
I don't know, but I would imagine so.
What should I do if confronted by a bear?
If you are confronted by a bear, the best course of action is to slowly back away and try to avoid provoking the bear. If the bear does attack, try to protect your head and neck and use whatever you have available to defend yourself.
What would happen if I jumped on its back?
Jumping on a bear's back is not advisable, as the bear could easily throw you off and you would be in a very vulnerable position.
What if I kicked it in the testicles?
Kicking a bear in the testicles is also not advisable, as bears are much larger and stronger than humans and you would likely only succeed in angering the bear further.
Could I run away from it?
Yes, you could try to run away from a bear, but bears are fast runners and you would likely not be able to outrun one.
I'd like to swim like a fish.
Swimming like a fish is not possible for humans, as we do not have gills and cannot breathe underwater. However, we can learn to swim using different strokes that imitate the way fish swim.
What sort of strokes?
There are various strokes that can be used to swim, including the breaststroke, side stroke, and crawl.
Right, well, that's the interview over. Goodbye.
Speak to you soon.